I never represent, baby. Yo, what's going on, guys? Khordmaster here. So in today's video, we are taking a look at $1 Million Baby by Tommy Richmond. Is that his name? Yeah, Tommy Richmond. All right, so I'm gonna move back so y'all could see the piano. Don't worry about the top of my head. So if you type in like the name of the song and then type in tabs, you should come up with like Ultimate Guitar Tabs, this app that I use for my chord progressions. And I talked about it a little bit on previous videos. But what we're going to look at is the progression of this. And it starts with F sharp minor 7. So let's play that in root first. Here's the F sharp minor 7. I like playing this. I was practicing this a little bit, these 3 chords. And I was kind of playing different inversions to see which one sounds the best for this particular song. So I like playing this in, I guess, this 3rd inversion. So just taking the highest note and moving it down an octave. Now, this next chord is a G sharp minor at 11. So G sharp minor is this, and 11 from the G sharp minor is just is 2 half steps lower than the 5. So in this case, we're playing an E flat, so it's going to be a D flat. So it's like, but we can play a little easier here, right? So I was playing this kind of like, I don't even know, it's not really a real inversion. I was playing it this way. So I'm playing a D sharp, G sharp, B natural, and C sharp. So I'm doing this. So going from, let's see, going from, right? Then it goes to B minor 7, and we can play it a couple different ways. We can do this, or we can do this. I think this probably sounds better, so let's see. So, there we go. And maybe the fingering. So again, so here, you gotta come back a half step here. Again. So that's how I would play this chord progression. So you can play it different ways, and my fingering is a little bit wrong with this. So if you're going to do it correct, maybe you might do 1, 2, 3, 5. Let me read you the notes. So you got E, F sharp, A, and C sharp. So I'm just doing an octave over here, of course. So it's like, I never represent, baby. Do you wrong, I just clean up good. Wait. Oh, right there. All right. I never represent, baby. And do you wrong, I just clean up good for you. And this I wanna make it. $1 million baby. Don't let me. Hell nah. It's such a good song. I really enjoy that song a lot. I was talking to someone the other day. They were like, yeah, that song is kind of corny. I'm like, no, you're corny for saying that. And you know who you are who dissed the song. Actually, you don't know. I don't know if you watch my videos like that, but whatever. One more time. Let's actually play one more time with like a... Actually, I found out recently that we can do it this way, right? So go to electric. Hang on. Is that right? Yeah. I never represent, baby, and do you wrong. I just clean up good for you. Cause I wanna make it. It's a really nice song. I really enjoy it a lot. I really do. Anyway, maybe you let me know what song you guys want to see next in the comments below, and if it's one that I'm excited about potentially doing, then I'll do it. And if not, I'll just pick another song from my repertoire. But drop me a comment. Let me know if this is helpful. Let me know some tips. Maybe you guys might want to see a top-down angle. I don't have it set up that way currently. That's why we're doing this little 45-degree thing. But yeah, this was cool. Yeah, let me know. Actually, before we end this, check this out real quick. This is something that we can do as well, just because I've been trying to do like some kind of makeshift kind of just experimenting, you know what I'm saying? So we can also be like this if we really wanted to. Bring this camera up. Look at that. Boom. Come on, y'all. Come on now. Come on now. Bring that down a little bit, and we can even bring it a little lower as needed. If y'all were like, yo, I want to see everything that you're doing, Kevin, I can say, you know what? I got you, man. I got you. Except this mic is a little in the way. Look at that. All right, let me do the chord progression one more time, because I'm kind of liking this. Oh, yeah, this is pretty good. So we can even do that. We can just be like this if we want. We also, hang on, let me see one more thing. It's like almost there, but you can't quite see me. Got this little accessory. All right, what does this get us? This gives us a little, oh yeah, a little bit of headway there, doesn't it? Look at that, look at that. So let's do this one more time. Take two. So $1 Million Baby by Tommy Richmond. I never represent, baby, and do you wrong. I just clean up good for you. On the best and bone, cause I wanna make it. Don't let, I'm $1 Million Baby. Don't let me. Hell nah. I love that. It's so good. It's so good. And then you can turn it into a ballad. I ain't never let no. Or even over here. That last chord was wrong. That's okay. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.